Veritone. I know you all, as you said, have been around a long time in this space specifically. Can you give us an example of a program that you'd like to highlight?
Yeah, I think let's start with a problem. And I agree with Ben and Bill both in terms of, the cloud being the big factory of where these models are and crunching, and then the importance of getting the data out to the edge, or getting the AI out to the edge where the data is. In terms of a program, one that we've had a lot of success with, we started with state and local agencies, police agencies, which now moved into Fed Civ and into Fed DoD, is automating the process of redacting audio and video for FOIA requests. Sounds fairly simple, but it's a very, very large problem with all the body cams and CCTV footage and all the data that's available that people request. And then some human has to go through and painstakingly watch it, listen to it, and get rid of any of the PII or objectionable material. We started on this actually with an SI firm who had a problem. We built an application on top of our stack, and it has now become something that we can sell and people can use very easily. What it's done is it's law enforcement in particular, given leverage back to the officers. Instead of spending time going through video hour after hour, we let the AI models go through and do that, and then the humans supervise and observe it. We call it humans on the loop versus in the loop, trying to give them leverage and save time and money. That's been a great program. It's really accelerated over the last year or so, this application, because of FOIA rules across the states, but also the implementation of body cameras and grabbing more video content. I'll tell you a real quick story where, if you put 1,000 officers, or even let's use 200 officers are all wearing body cams, they roll to a scene, there could be 8 to 10 video streams that have to be gone through and redacted, and it takes roughly 10 hours of human time to redact an hour of video. So when you use AI, it can be as short as 1-to-1, 3-to-1 for something difficult.
It's just fascinating to hear those statistics in regards to thinking about the volumes of video data and applying AI and just sort of distilling it down to a specific nugget, if you will.
Yeah, that's kind of the ROI, and the folks that have dealt with it, understand the problem. The other thing that I would say, and this is under this program, we get traction on these things. The government agencies, police officers, that's not their business. Their business is to protect and serve. And some of this overhead that we've put in with FOIA requests and then giving them technologies that people want to see. I mean, I'm talking about a very, very post-event problem, right? The crime has happened. It's probably gone to court. There's a law now to request it. This is way down the system of value, but it takes a lot of human time. And I think the message for us that we're trying to get across is, let's use AI for good, but let's also make humans more efficient, put humans on the loop, and use the technology in a way that saves a lot of time and money.
Amen.